What's up guys, I'm Azad. I wanted a good profile picture for my channel, so I looked up the rules for optimizing it. Here are the top 10 tips I found which can help you too. The first one, make it instantly recognizable. Someone should be able to spot your icon in a split second while scrolling. 2. Represent your channel identity. Your face, logo or symbol should match what your content is about and your vibe. 3. Keep it simple. One clear subject always beats a cluttered design. 4. Design for smaller screens. It should look sharp even at tiny mobile sizes. 5. Use a strong contrast. Your subject needs to stand out from the background. 6. Avoid a small text. Text disappears when scaled down. Visuals work better. 7. Match your branding. Colors and style should align with your banner and channel overall channel look. 8. Center your subject. Important elements should stay visible when cropped into a circle. 9. Use high-quality images. Blurry pictures make your channel feel less professional. And the last one, stay consistent. Don't change it too often. Familiarity builds recognition. Thanks for watching. I'm documenting my journey learning videography from scratch, so if you're interested, consider subscribing. I hope you create an awesome profile picture. See you in the next one.